Welcome to this pie meditation. Many people find comfort in the kitchen, and for the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through a mindfulness exercise, grounded in the process of making pie. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. In through your nose, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's begin our journey together, just as we begin every pie, with intention, loving kindness, and a gentle hunger. Take another deep breath, sinking deeper into relaxation. Take a moment to try to step outside of yourself. Try to imagine you're starting this journey as a basic ingredient. Feel yourself being measured with care by the loving hands of the universe. Each gram or ounce, every teaspoon of you holds its own unique potential. Where the sparkle lies is when you're ready to combine these things, allowing them to come together to create something truly special, like the flour, butter, and water of a pie crust. All of us begin as separate pieces, but with a little work, we can connect and create a greater whole. You can bring all the parts of you together because every bit of you is precisely what's needed. No more, no less. You are exactly enough just as you are. Now, visualize the cold butter being blended into the flour. Despite intense pressure, the butter doesn't melt. Instead, it is able to retain some of its structure, but yields just enough to distribute itself evenly. In the process, each piece changes, and no two are the same, but they combine seamlessly to create the final product. Some pieces remain larger, creating beautiful flakes of character. Others blend more smoothly, becoming part of the foundation. In life, similar pressures are exerted onto us. You too can stay steady when the heat is applied. You can learn to yield just enough, but not lose yourself in the process. As you discover new pieces of yourself, remember, no two are the same, and each variation forms the perfectly unique result. You. Pie dough needs more than flour and butter to come together. Picture the icy cold water being added to the mixture, helping to bring all the parts together. It's important that this process isn't rushed. It should happen gradually. Just as you should never dump water in your pie dough all at once, your journey should unfold at exactly your own pace. When the pie dough is still dry, it can feel disconnected, and that's okay. As it comes together, it forms something cohesive and strong. When you feel disconnected, try to view it differently. What may seem like bumps in the road or imperfections aren't flaws at all. They're simply places where the transformation is still unfolding. One especially important lesson we can learn from pie dough is the importance of rest. Without it, the dough is difficult to work with. You may spend more time or energy fighting it than if you had just given it enough time to relax. When it's time for you to rest and relax, remember, you're not being lazy or unproductive. Transformation can continue not only as a result of this quiet time, but even during it. use this opportunity to take another deep breath. Allow yourself to sink slightly further into relaxation. You are becoming exactly what you were meant to be, in exactly the amount of time you need to do it. Don't be hurried by the pace of life. Remember, you can live with intention, and you might still make mistakes. Remember that even the most beautiful pies are often imperfect. A crust might crack at the edges and need to be patched up, but these same patches prove that the pie was carefully handmade with love. The result is a creation that brings joy simply by existing. You too are being lovingly created, step by step, and bringing beauty into the world by being exactly who you are. Take a deep breath in, feeling the wholeness of all your individual parts. Slowly breathe out, releasing any doubt about your journey. You are carefully crafting a beautiful work in progress, piece by piece, just like a perfect pie dough. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes.